Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add multi-line button in Elementor. You can see I have added these two buttons and also I have added the two lines of text in this button. By default the Elementor button widget will offer only a single line like that. You cannot add double line in this button. So here I will show you how you can add multi-line button in Elementor page. For this I will use unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. So let's log into your dashboard and install unlimited elements for Elementor plugin. Now here first of all you have to install a plugin. So go to your plugins and click on add new. Now here in the search bar search unlimited elements. Here you can see the unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has more than 100,000 plus active installations. I have already installed and activated it. As soon as you will activate it, it will take you to its settings. So let's go to its settings. In the menu sidebar, you can see the unlimited elements tab. You can click on the widgets to go to its settings. Now when you activate the plugin, it will redirect you to its widgets page where you have to install its widget to use it in Elementor page builder. So here search for multi-line button. Here it is, you can see this multi-line button widget here. You have to install it first and then you can use it in Elementor page builder. I have already installed it, so I will go to Elementor page builder and show you how to create it from scratch. So here on my Elementor page, I have added a section. In the section settings, I have set its height to fit to screen. Now in this column, I will add an inner section. So drag an inner section widget here. Now in the first column, click on this plus button and in the widgets, search multi-line button. Here it is, you can see it has also unlimited elements logo with it. Drag this button into the column. Now here you can add two lines of text, the title text and the subtitle text. Here I will add text, get it on, and under it I will add Google Play. Now here you can add link and also you can add icon with it. I will enable show icon here. Now you can see this icon appears here. You can choose an icon from your icon library. Here you can search Google Play and this is the logo of Google Play. Click on insert. But this was a white logo. You can choose SVG there. So I will upload an SVG. I have already uploaded it, so I will select it from media library. Now you can see it will look like that. Now go to style and style this button. Now here first of all you can align this button. So I will align it to the right side. Align inside button, I will align it to the left side. You can also change the radius of the button. I will make it 5. And now I will unlink the padding and add padding 10 pixels on top and bottom and 20 on the left and right. Now you can change the button width to full width, so it will cover the entire column. I will select auto width. Now here you can change the background color for the button. Also you can add gradient and a video for the background, and here you can choose an image button. I will select the black color. In the typography I will change the title typography and the subtitle typography. First of all I will change the title typography and add font family to Poppins, and I will add size to 20 pixels. Now I will go to subtitle. I will change its font to family to pop-ins, and I will change its size to 30. Now it will look like that. For the title I will make it 18. Now I will go to icon, and here I will increase the size of the icon. 60 is perfect for my. You can also change the icon space. 10 is perfect. You can also add icon padding, but I will leave it to the default. Now I will add a similar button in the next column. Duplicate this button and drag it to the next column. Here first of all I will change its text. I will make it get it on Apple Store, and here I will select icon from my media library. I will search Apple logo, select it and click on insert, so it will look like that. Now I will go to style and change the button alignment to the left side. Now it will look like that. Taps this and you can see it was look like that. Now I will update the page. After updating I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here is the page. You can see both buttons in inline. That's how you can add multi-line buttons in Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos.